Hey guys, it's American Hobbies back here with another video. Today we're going to be exploring part 6 of the Beacon Line. Fishkill, Glenham, New York we're in now. Before we were in Beacon, now we're in Glenham. Next we'll be going into Fishkill. After that, Hopewell. So, these tracks are, I'm not sure what they would be considered now, but I know that they did put in a form or something for the tracks to be be called abandoned, which is sad, but that's what happened. And well, they were a non-revenue, not in service. First they were a non-revenue line for MNCR, which is Metro North Commuter Rail. Then they were turned into not in service. Then they were turned into cannot be used. And then now I'm pretty sure they're going to be considered abandoned. Go check out the spur video I just did. Pretty cool what we found back there. So yeah, just subscribe and like and comment and go check out that video. But as you can see, some of these ties are really good. Look, perfect, good, good, horrible. Okay, horrible. And then, I mean, the tracks, the line, it's like the steel itself is not in the best. Pretty sure, look, nothing here. 1929, I would say. But now we have a crossing coming up, and we have a bridge too. So it's gonna be cool when we explore that. So in 1929, these rails are from. I'm pretty sure they've done probably a lot of work on them, from Conrail to Metro North. I don't know about Metro North though. I know they did work on them, but I don't know if they did a lot though. But pretty sure they did something. But yeah, I mean, we're just out here. I kind of just want to share this line with you guys. I love this line, or abandoned line, now you could call it. But I'm gonna be showing you guys it on the camera. You guys, I mean, I guess if you're in the area, or if you want to come here or whatever, it's in Beacon, Fishkill, Hopewell, all the way to Danbury, Connecticut. And everyone pretty much uses it as a walking trail. Probably we're going to be coming up on some people. We got the gates for them. Looks like that might have been a maintenance road trail. And now we're coming up on the crossing. I'm gonna zoom out. Someone did a bunch of wheelies or something there. We're coming over here. I'm gonna take a picture of the yield. I'm gonna show you the yield sign. See, they say exempt. I'm gonna try and make somewhat of a thumbnail out of some of these things. Gonna be crossing the crossing now. Maybe someone will let us go. It's really windy out, so I'm not trying not to drop my camera, but as you can see, they're pretty worn out, and even some of the time there's gravel just right over the track. But these on this side, for some reason, they're even worse, kind of. But we're gonna keep going. But yeah, I mean, the tracks themselves are pretty worn out. Just trying not to drop my camera, it's windy. Yeah, it looks like there used to be a maintenance trailer or there's something there. I mean, I think they could totally reuse this line. I don't know, MNCR or CSX, Amtrak, probably not Amtrak, but I think anybody could reuse them and make money. I think definitely MNCR would make money because it's a pain in the butt to get from Poughkeepsie or wherever, Cold Spring, Beacon, Garrison, Peekskill, to get to Danbury on the train. That's a pain in the butt. Now if they just reopen this line, just come up, come down, and then take this line over instead of after going all the way down to Tarrytown or Grand Central to transfer on another NCR train. So yeah. So anyways, I'm not going to be going over the bridge today. We're just going to be looking at it. But I will be going over it. There's just people on it and it's too crowded. I mean, there's like a group of people on it, so I'm not really trying to be squished on that bridge. There's only a little bit of room on it. So anyways, I'll definitely be going over it in the next episode. But I'm just gonna take a couple pictures of it. But this is the river that the bridge is going over anyways. It's pretty, I guess. I'm gonna take pictures of the bridge for a thumbnail. And for Instagram, I guess. I'm just doing all this Instagram stuff like that. So, anyways, that's the Beacon line. It's the bridge. The line all the way up there. Subscribe and like, comment for the next episode.